Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change language on eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change the language on eBay, you need to first of all open a web browser or your eBay app and simply navigate to your profiles. Then you can find the language local under the basic information and select the desired language from the drop down. However, alternatively, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and you can find a flag-like icon. Once you click on any of the flags you prefer, this will now help you change your eBay portal into that specific language that is spoken on that particular region or the language of that country. So by doing this, you can simply change your language on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our next video.